Hello friends, in this presentation we'll solve one more gate POCS question. And the concepts involved in this question are structures and pointers. This is our question. So we have a structure called our node, and in the structure we have three character variables x, y and z. And in the main method I'm trying to initialize this structure with 1, 0 and a plus 2. So our node P, this P is of type struct. This basically initializing the structure variables of our node. That is, 1 will represent x and 0 is nothing but y will be initialized with 0 and a plus 2 will be initialized with z. What is a plus 2? The ASCII value of a is 97. So 97 plus 2 is nothing but 99. 99 is the ASCII value of lowercase c. Okay. A plus 2 is nothing but c here, because you already know that integer to character and character to integer typecasting is allowed in C. And struct our node star q equal to p. So this is of type struct, and it's a pointer that is pointing to the address that contains the address of this our node structure. See, the structure will be stored something like this. So 1000, 1001 and 1002. You should know that all the structured elements are sequentially stored, that is one after the other, 1000, 1001 and 1002. So 1, 0 and C. So now if you assign star q equal to the address of the initialization variable of our node structure, so q will also point to the address 1000. Okay, so the q is able to access not only the first element of the structure. It's not that this q is only capable of accessing first element, it's capable of accessing the entire structure. And in the next statement we are having star of q plus 1, where we have used a typecast character pointer. So why we are using this typecast? Because q will point to the entire structure. But here we are trying to access only to that particular character. That's the reason we have, after accessing the data present in that address, we have typecasted that particular pointer. Okay, so what is q? Q is nothing but 1000. Okay, so 1000 plus 1 is nothing but 1001, and the data present in 1001 is 0. And q plus 2, similarly 1000 plus 2 is nothing but the data present in that address q plus 2 is nothing but c. So percentile c comma percentile c typecasted, we are trying to access only that particular character, will give 0 comma c. Okay, so let us compile this program. 0 comma c. So the thing you should understand here is that q equal to address of p is nothing but not only the base address, that is, it is capable of accessing the entire structure. So the correct answer for this question is option A, because not option D, because single quotes will not be printed, because already they are represented in characters, and again you are printing in percentage C format specifier. That means you are just printing the values, you are not printing the indication single quotes. Okay, so correct answer is option A, not option D. Okay friends, this is it for now, and thank you for watching this presentation. See you in the next presentation. Bye bye.